volcano inside. We're exploring the inside of a fake volcano. What you're going to need for this science project is a tube just to hold your material. And make sure if you're a kid, like my age, like 11, or younger, or grown up, you're doing it in the sink. Because you don't know what can happen. So, you don't want it to explode everywhere. This is the first time I'm doing this project, so I don't need it. But you're going to need a container about that big. You're going to need some apple cider vinegar. Of course you're going to need some essentials, some toilet paper, and baking powder. I didn't even go out and buy this. This is how easy this is. I just had this material. Like my sister had this, my sister had that, we had toilet paper in our bathroom, and we can get a cup from the kitchen. It's just easy. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to pour some vinegar in there. You don't want to pour a little bit, or you don't want to pour too much. Just put some. See? Then you need to put water. Put tap water. You don't have to put stiff water. Some water. And then this is the part you need to do. Roll up some toilet paper, like how you fold it when you're doing wiping. If you fold it, you're going to need to take some baking powder. Put it on the toilet paper. Put like 2 pinches, big pinches. Put 2 big pinches in there. And put it on the toilet paper. Roll it and twist it up. So here you go. Alright. A little bit of fizz. I shook it up a little bit. And that's what I got. It's just fizzing like soda. It's not bubbling up or anything. This is non-toxic. Not non-toxic. Just put a little more in there. But yeah, that's how much fizz you'll get. That's all fizz I got. It smells disgusting. So I'm going to add a lot more baking soda right now. And I'm going to do it quite over the sink, but quite in the field.